The Pacific Ocean flows into rivers, bays and estuaries that make up the Broken Bay, providing a nutrient-rich aquatic environment, idyllic conditions for oysters to grow. My name is Sam Hilton. I grew up on the Central Coast of New South Wales, Australia. My love of the ocean and the water began with my father introducing me to surfing from a very early age and also fishing around these very waters. A very beautiful place to grow up, and I'm lucky to call this place home. I'd been working as a surf coach for the Central Coast Surf Academy and really loving that. And I recently started a job working as a tour guide and an oyster farmer for the Broken Bay Pearl Farm. It's one of the most sustainable farming practices in Australia and also one of the oldest. The Indigenous of Australia have been collecting shellfish for thousands of years before us. And it's also really good knowing that we're working with native species. A typical day on the Pearl Farm, well, we get up really early in the morning and we head out on our boats. And I don't mind that because it's a beautiful place to come work. The most important part of my job is loving and caring for these oysters. We look after the oysters from birth until around 18 months. The smaller ones will be food stock and the others will become cultured pearls. We have to constantly monitor them, checking the lines, pulling them up, cleaning them, and putting them back down. All up, we have to look after them for around 4 to 5 years. Oyster farming is variable, and there's a lot of environmental challenges. There's predators out there. They wouldn't survive in the numbers that we have here in the wild, so it becomes our responsibility to look after them. We're really at the mercy of Mother Nature out here. Being around the water is something that appeals to me. It's really calming being out here in this environment. And there's lots of marine life around the oysters and bird life everywhere. There is that relationship that if we look after our waterways, we'll have healthy oysters. A lot of places in the world aren't as lucky as us, so I really feel that responsibility heavily to look after this environment. The best part of my job is the opportunity to take people into nature. Whether it's surf coaching or being out on the Pearl Farm, you give people a sense and appreciation of something really special and unique. A bit of a hidden gem here on the Central Coast.